Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to fix the hard drive not found issue when installing Windows via USB on Intel CPUs from 11th generation onward. As you can see, I'm using a Core i7-150U processor, which belongs to Intel's 15th generation. Now I'm going to plug in my USB drive that contains the Windows installer and restart the computer to boot from the USB. As you can see, the hard drive isn't showing up here. Now, follow my steps to fix this issue. First, I'll restart the computer and boot back into Windows. Once you're back in Windows, open your browser and go to Intel's official website. Now, click on the search bar and type in Intel IRST driver. As you can see, the top result provides a driver that supports Intel 12th to 15th generation CPUs. Since it's compatible with my system, I'm going to download this version. Now you need to extract this IRST file to get access to the driver. Now, open Command Prompt as administrator. Since I placed this IRST file in drive D, I'll type D to switch to that drive. Next, enter the command shown on the screen. Once it's done, you'll see a folder named IRST_drivers has been created. Navigate into it. Go deep into the subfolders until you find the actual driver files. Then copy them to your USB drive. After adding the driver to the USB, I'll restart the computer and boot from the USB again. At this point, click on Load Driver, then choose Browse. Navigate to your USB drive and select the VMD folder inside the driver directory you just copied. At this point, your hard drive should now be detected. Click Next to continue with the Windows installation. Now your hard drive is visible. From here, you can proceed with the Windows installation as usual. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful Windows tips. Have a great day.